Hello everyone. Today I have come here to explain about the use of writerow and writerows function. I will explain everything with a suitable example. So let's start. First, we import the CSV module. Then we use the open function to access our file.
Is that the required syntax?
Yes, that is correct. Now let's apply it. Let's use the writerow method for a single row. Now watch what happens. When we switch to writerows,
So that takes a list of lists?
exactly, that is correct. Now let's examine writerow for a single row. Does that make sense?
Yes, it is for one row of data.
Excellent. Now writerows is used for multiple rows. See how each list becomes a row?
And the commas separate the fields?
Perfect, you've got it. That is the core difference between the two methods. Notice how writerows simplifies handling multiple records. Now, try implementing both methods on your own machines. That is exactly how you want to structure your list of lists. Thank you so much for watching this. I hope you can practice this on your own now. In the next video, we will explore how to read CSV files. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.